Alright, hold on. There's a better angle. We'll try to go as slow as possible. I'll still try to get the full view. It is a wine red with a frost white, along with Lord knows how many bullshit stuff. Maximum armor, maximum upgrades on engine, brakes, transmission, turbo, and a bunch of other bullshit. I did the works on this vehicle, and this is not the only one. I'll show you the rest in a little bit. Here's another one. Here's the whatever this is. I didn't do much on the exterior because I don't really care about the exterior for this. I just was like, hey, let's do something stupid. And here's my stupid. So there's another one. Here's another one. I might show some GTA stuff on my YouTube and other shit, but if you don't like how I talk, yeah, you're currently looking at a game that's rated for M, meaning it's not really for kids. And the fact that you allowed your kid to do that means you really don't care what they do or how they talk. So you can shut up. Don't report. Don't do any of that shit. You want to report? Take it up with your mother. If you have a problem with it, talk to your mother, not your children. And talk to children if they don't want to stop watching. You don't have to watch. Then these are the rest. These are all the cars in one place. The truck I did absolutely nothing with. I left it stock because that you can find it in Sandy Shores right next to the spray can. It has a percentage chance of spawning, and I always am able to find it. If you can't find it, it should be there. If you don't find it, then you probably are good at the game and have terrible luck, or you're like me, terrible at the game and have stupid luck. If you don't know what stupid luck is you get shit you don't want. Like, for example, the fact that I managed to pull off that weird green-rimmed bullshit is kind of impressive that I didn't have my brain explode when I tried to do that. So, yeah, fun. Anyways, that will be all for today.